on the sober, then we sober. Telling me how you moving away and starting over, girl, quit playing. You just drunk, the same shit. And all you hands dance like how, like that last shit. Now I get it, yeah, I'm with it. I be down and smoking water. Yeah, I skid it, but forget it, damn, damn. I wonder why I never learned my lesson. It's feeling like it's second chance and it's the first impression. And I heard there's nothing new except for someone new. But how you supposed to find the one with anyone who come with you? Talking to myself, but I never listen. Cause man, it's been a while, and I swear that this one's different. That's why I'ma take you anywhere you wanna go. Let you meet my friends so they can lecture me again about how reckless I have been. And I'm slowly running out of all the time that I invested making all the same mistakes, and I'm just trying to correct it.